Hello and welcome back to iAutoAgent. This is Kendall. Today we're very pleased to be showing you this 2009 Honda Civic Si Coupe. As you can see, I'm about 4 feet away and nothing jumps out. This vehicle has a little over 128,000 miles on it. Is in really good condition, and I'll be showing you anything unusual for that type of mileage. First, let's go around to the driver's side, take a look inside. Got the real nice cloth seats. You can see they're in good shape. Seat controls there, and a good look at the driver's side door. It's in good shape, and we'll go ahead and get in and get a good look at that interior dash. You can see it's in good shape. Your premium audio, AM, FM, all your temperature controls, and this does have the 6-speed manual transmission. Nice cup holders, sunroof, the overhead pod controls, all your steering wheel controls. Very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and go over to the passenger side. There again, that front dash, very nice. And a good look at that passenger front seat. Good shape. All you got to do is hit the control for the seat to move forward, and then get a good look at that back seat. It's easy to get in and out of there. You can see lots of room, and those seats are in great condition. Put the seat back. Go around to the driver's side, and same thing. Hit the release lever and good look at the rear seats there. Driver's side's in great shape. Got the control there for the trunk. And as you can see, everything looks really good in here. Lots of good cargo space, and scuff plates are in good shape. Very nice. Okay, get a listen to the motor. Hood release. 2.0 motor, iB-Tech motor. Battery. Everything's real clean underneath here. Looks really good. Sounds good. Alright, very nice. Okay. Go ahead and turn that off. Okay. Now I'll go around and show you some imperfections that I found. It's got some on the hood, some little chips. Pretty normal for wear and tear for a 2009. It's got a few of those. It's got a little imperfection there on that front bumper, going around to the curb rash there on that left wheel. A couple of chips in the windshield. Okay. Driver's side door. Little imperfection there. Little imperfection there. You can see it's got some bubbling on the rear window. Curb rash there. Nothing too major though, very minor. Little scuff right there, little imperfection. Little imperfection there on that passenger side. Little one right there. Door. A little bit there on the column. Very minor. Very, very nice vehicle. And there you have it. If you'd like to learn more about this 2009 Honda Civic Si Coupe, please contact us at iAutoAgent.com. Thank you.